My name is Angela Scanlon and I am the co-founder of frlk. Chips, homemade with the skins on. Always gold, look at me. What do you think? Maximalist? Bit of both. I like balance in the old indoor, outdoor. Depends on the weather, maybe. Beach, oddly. Film. Oh, music. I mean, they go together, really, don't they? Ooh, pixel heart. Turquoise. No, it's not a matching situation. It's like loading up one ear, naked on the other. It's, yeah, mismatched. Neither. I'm like a 9 p.m. to bed, 8 a.m. up is the ideal situation. I'm a giant baby.